helly? What's up, stream? How y'all doing? Give me a second. Let me open up chats real quick so I can read what y'all saying if y'all here. Perfect. Um, Whatever. Alright, is my shit frozen? Yeah, my shit's frozen. Oh, that's why. I don't know why arm tracking's not working for some reason. But it is what it is. My chat. Don't worry, my chat. Let me get to my chats. Connect. Once I have the second monitor for my laptop, this will be so much easier. Yes. Alright. Perfect. Perfecto. What's up, guys? Let's get into this game dev stuff. Just checking everything real quick. Check. Okay. Let's go ahead and open our files and pull up our game. Open that up, and then in our pictures. Oh wait, hold on. Let's make a new window for this. Open a new window. Make this small. Assets. New folder. We're gonna name this PC screen. I still haven't opened up my chat. I'm tripping balls right now. So sorry. All right, let me test my chat real quick. PC screen. Open up Googs. Hi. Alright, chat's working. So boom, there's that. Put this away. And we are going to grab this computer screen we made and put it in here. So now we have our PC screen for our game. We could disable the preview on this. Actually, what we could do is that. And then open it up again. Downloads. Fix this real quick. Might as well. There we go. We are all good to go now. Put that right there. Check on this. Check. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. And then go over to you. Put you down. Go over to you. Put you down like so. Alright. Wait. What is in the middle of my screen? Oh, I see. Okay. So we're going to be making a new C++ class for this PC right here. And we're going to add our screen to that PC as well. Is there PC inside? Okay, well, yeah, that's the first problem. What is going on here? Why would that PC be like that? There we go. This makes a lot more sense. Okay, cool. What else have we got going on over here? Now we gotta talk to our AI. Okay. Go ahead and take care of this real quick. Welcome to the live. How you doing? Cheeto Monster. It's a funny name. Yeah, I'm making a game. It's my first game. It's about um, what's it called? It's about a horror game working in a cement plant. Mr. Suggs. Welcome. Father, help. Father, I request food. Yo, welcome to the stream, Mr. Suggs. Father, I need food. Mr. Suggs, I am a woman today. Today is the day I'm a woman. If you would have caught me yesterday or the day before, I would have probably have been a man. But today I'm a woman. So you're gonna have to start calling me mommy around here, around these parts. Yes, that's more like it, Mr. Suggs. That is more like it. How may I help you today? You need some milkies? Mother with father voice, help. Yo. You're comedy, bro. Welcome to the stream, bro. We need to lock in. I'm done trolling. I'm done clipping. I'm done clip farming. Alright. So, I got the screen made. Now what? Mother with father voice, food. You need food? What is your profile picture? A cow? No, it's Mickey Mouse. That's funny. Mother, do I need to call you mommy to get food? Yo. God damn it. So this is what comes with VTubing. This is what comes with VTubing. Man. Do you need to call me mommy to get food? So that's a great question. What do your morals say, huh? Tell me, what do your fucking morals say, huh? Cause I'm about to crash out. Okay, do y'all people treat actual women like this? Degrade them? I'm just kidding. I'm not even going to that tangent right now. I'm over here gonna fake crash out. I don't have the energy to crash out right now. Alright, great. Now let's set up the Unreal Engine. Here's what we need. Create a widget. Sir, yes, sir. Yes, Daddy AI. I'll create a widget as long as you ask me nicely. Okay. Yep. I have issues. It's official. Go ahead and create that motherfucker right here. We're gonna put WBP for willingly window butt pussy. That's what it stands for. WBP, window butt pussy. Underscore, and we're gonna name this what was her name recommendation? Monitor screen. I like that. WBP monitor screen. Yes. What the hell? What is this? Why did this mesh pop up on it? That's strange. That's almost as strange as the time that I... And then plays a Family Guy cutscene. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see what we gotta do in this. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to add a canvas. So we add a canvas right here. Drag that hoe in there like so. Is there a way to tweak the settings? Well, let's first make it a name. So we're gonna name this PC screen, like a so. Bro is VTubing. What's up, random Malleus? Welcome to the VTubing Goonathon. Welcome to the Goonathon. Subathon? No, sir. We doing Goonathons here. Let me show you some jiggle physics. Show you some love. Shake my mommy milkers for you. Feel me? I'm on some crazy timing right now. I'm not gonna lie. But we locked in on this game dev shit, bro. Welcome to the stream. Shit. Don't start gooning to me though. Straight up. Don't start gooning to me or demasculating me. Mommy, I need food. See, this guy is a perfect example of what I'm talking about to not do. Son, I don't have food, Mr. Suggs. I don't have food. I don't want to see that shit. Why don't you want to see it, bro? Come on. One more time. Just look. Alright, bro. You don't have to see nothing. You don't have to see nothing. I've been doing this for the past hour, gang. You've been doing what for the past hour? Asking me for food? I haven't even been live for an hour, my guy. There's no way you've been asking me for food. Unless you go into other people's streams asking them for food. Unless that's what you meant. That's crazy if so. That's crazy if so. Other people. Mr. Suggs, may I ask why? Nah, I'm playing. It's Mike. Laugh my ass off. Mike? Who the hell's Mike? Mike and Giggles? Mr. Suggs? Nah, there's no way it's you, bro. I promise there's no fucking way. Because you don't be playing like that. You would not call me mommy or father. There's no way. You're lying. Yo, let me find out this is you. Nigga play gay on the low. I'm crazy. It's me. Bro, there's no way. Wait. Nah, I'm playing. It's my. Oh, right. Okay, I got you. I didn't say that. You right. Hey, W Rage Bait. You right. Mr. Suggs said it. My bad. The fuck. Yeah. Dyslexia kicked in a little bit, and I started reading your guys' name at the same fucking name. My bad, bro. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. What did you come in here and say? Oh, you said you VTubing. Okay, that's you. Got you. I got you locked in now. Got you locked in the noggin. Nah, this is my personal account. My personal scrolling account. Got you. I didn't make an account. I logged into that one account that I ended up finding that I already had. I think it was like Blurp or something, or I don't know. But I couldn't even look at my own live for some reason. I don't know why. Cause I was trying to see if I was live on TikTok. But shit. I need to move this train, and then I gotta show you something. Show you something cool. Show you something crazy cool. All right. So right now. Oh shit! I'm gonna move this right here. Oh, my shit froze. RP. All right, start this up. Boom. Now this is my person. All right, before you leave though, let me show you something. See this PC right here? We're about to give this PC a screen, and the screen picture that we made yesterday on stream after I died in Minecraft. We made this. And so basically, what this is you have this, you have the loading area, and then this little bar will fill up as the train is loaded. It kind of gives you a reference of how to load the car. I put my company cement plant logo right here, DGR BBS, which is dagger boobs with the daggers from CSGO. We got the different belts that are going on, and the arrows pointing down to all that shit like that. Clinker loading system, version 2.1V, you know, you feel me? And then we have this gray random box, and basically what this box will be is when the train is in the right position, this box will be green, and if it's a loaded train, it'll be yellow, and if it's in the wrong position, it'll be red. So the player knows if the card's in position or not. And then there will be a text right here also saying BBC Nutcracks. I mean, it'll also be saying loaded position / loaded or some shit like that. I honestly forgot. I'm gonna have to look back at that last VOD and see what I put, because the only thing that's coming to my mind is gayness. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that's what we're working on right now. Talking to my AI. Tell me what to do, AI. Alright, setup designer, add an image widget, drag from palette. Image widget? Oh, okay. So let's go to this. Where is it at? BP whiteboard, task list, control. Where is it at? Okay, you go away. BP railcar, BP train engine, box, task. I guess I never selected it. Oh, it's right here though all this time. I found it. Alright, so now we need an image panel. So imig. Just followed. Good luck with the stream. Thank you, 3 Beavery. I appreciate the follow. Thank you. Make sure if you have a PC, make sure it shows my game. Since you're being so generous right now, please wish us my game. It'll help me out. If not, I still appreciate the follow. I'm supposed to add this like that. Compile. Let's see what they're talking about right now. Content browser, right click, you'll set up add an image widget, drag from palette, set to fill the entire canvas, set source to your Photoshop background image, anchors, add fill to screen. Okay, so first, set fill to entire canvas. Alright, size to content. No. First, anchors. And we're going to put the anchor in the center like so. And then secondly, uncheck this, and then we need to find the size. The size shit, which would be entire canvas, a fill. So it'd be called a fill, right? It's not called a fill. Let's see, set. It's not called the set. Alright, I'm gonna have to ask the AI what the fuck they mean, bro. Unless they want me to go like this, manually. You know how lame that would be if I have to do this shit manually? I mean, size to content. Yeah, see, you're pissing me off right now. You're actually making me upset. Override accessibility defaults. Visibility, behavior, render, performance, rendering, inherit, on the mouse, inherit. I added an image. Library. Okay. Here's the image. Let's go ahead and add this to our game because I forgot to do such things. We could put this in textures. No. We'll put this in materials, and we'll put it landscape, decals, rail car. I'll put it in train remote, just because there's not a lot of stuff in train remote, and we just gotta remember that it's in train remote. Oh, cancel this. Let's just drag it in here. Perfecto. Hi, hey, yo, what's up, ProNeck? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? How is your day going, or your night? What time would this be for you? PC screen. That's what it's called. PC screen _000. So let's go ahead and find that PC screen texture right here. Beautiful. Now, how do we size this to be the PC screen perfectly? That's what we need to figure out. Image size, tint. Can we see your face? You want to see what I look like? I can't show my face right now at this very moment because I'm VTubing. But if you would like a face reveal, I have a video I can show you. Actually. Where is it? Devlog 3? How many devlogs do I have out? Don't I have devlog 4? I want to show devlog 4's face. Gang, you a nigga? Yes, sir. Alright, ignore that. This is
You
me.
know how hard it is being the sexiest devlog out? My ego's going crazy right now. We're gonna
This a type?
a little bit different.
This a
in
type of what?
Because I hit a major roadblock.
But yeah, man, that's me. Just kidding, just kidding. This is me right here. I'm Toji. Let me stop. Cringe. Alright, we need to figure out how to motherfucking... I'm gonna start cussing this AI out. W creator, I appreciate you. Ayo Magic. I appreciate you. If I said your name wrong, I'm sorry, but it's Ayo Magic. Yes. Alright, let's go off on this AI. It says add image widget. Add an image widget, drag from palette. Okay. So I added image. Then I set image to PC screen, set the anchors to the middle, but I do not see the fill screen. Fill screen stretch to fit. Fill screen option to fill entire canvas. Oh shit, I forgot to give you a titty shake. My bad chat. My bad Ayo Magic. There you go. Look at my jiggle physics. Welcome to the stream. Mwah. I hope it's working. Mwah. Yo. Alright, you need to change the anchors to fill in screen. Here's how. With your image widget selected, look at the slot section details on the right side, find anchors. It shows a drop down button, and then drop down button, select the option fill. Alright, bet. That's all I had to say. I just learned something. You bitch, you lied. Where do you see fill at? Found it. I lied again. That is not it. What is this? Hold shift to update alignment. Nah. See line. I see size to content. Guys, I think it worked. But I want it to be perfect. So let me try something. So now let's put it in the middle and size to content. There we go. Gotcha. See, I was clicking size to content at the first, but at first it wasn't doing shit. So I don't know what was going on there, but I'm glad we figured it out. So now that we did this step, let me move this real quick. 1 second. Let's go ahead and read out what we're doing real quick. Let's do some research. Let's get all the answers given to us. Yes. Who cares about the alternative method? Scroll back up and see what they're talking about over here. WBP. Yo, what's up, your boy Games? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. We are creating a video game. Oh, welcome to the stream. Hello, how you doing? Go ahead and give you some titty shake. Look at the jizzle figures. I got y'all. I need to stop this. I'm degrading myself at this point. I'm sick to my own stomach. Just kidding. I do not care. Okay, maybe a little bit. Why are you a girl, but you're a boy? It's 2025 and you're really asking me a question like that right now? Are you serious right now? You asking me a question like this in the big 2025? Well, to answer your question, I'm just as confused as you, honestly. Why is this happening? I don't know. You see, when I was a boy, you have a boy voice, but a girl anime. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. And like I said, I'm just as confused as you. You see, it all started long ago when I was just a mere boy with a boy voice. The motherfuckers, they ain't love me. They ain't love me when I was Xavier. But they love me when I was Dagger Boobs. Why? Like I said, bro. They ain't love me when I was dicking. Pulled the tits out, they said, oh, hello, welcome to the stream. Like, for example, if I was a boy right now, you wouldn't have clicked on the stream, bro. So what that tells me is, old boy Games, you a gooner. Yep, you a gooner. All right, here you go. Here's your countdown. 10. Nah, that's wild. Let me stop. Great. Now let's set up Unreal Engine. Yo, what did I just scroll onto? Tyrone. Yo, Tyrone, what's good? How you doing, my nigga? How you doing? What'd you scroll onto? Was you trying to raise me up or something? I ain't interested. I'm sorry, Tyrone. I'm too bad for you. Shit. We just game deving and shit though. We making a computer. As you can see right here, we got our computer screen, and we about to bring this computer screen to life. Bad bitch style. Bad bitch style. That's what we up to today, sir. That's what we up to today. Oh, cancel, clip. W clip. Yes. W clip. Everybody start shaking their ass. What? Whoa. Okay, stop clip farming, man. Stop clip farming. I'm getting distracted. I need to start reading shit. All right. So we did this. Blah blah blah. Add an image. Blah 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 blah. Oh, drag image. Widget for indicators. Drag an image where you want the red and green circle. Name it status indicator. Set it to size or position it where you placed the text in Photoshop. Add text widgets if you need dynamic text. For progress percentage, for status message, position them over in your layout. Okay. That's pretty simple. It's pretty simple, not gonna lie. Step 3, create the computer screen actor. Do you already have a computer screen mesh in your level, or do you need help setting up an actor with the widget component display the widget? Let me know where you are. Okay, so I already know how to do that step. But we're gonna go ahead and add first another image. And this image will be a simple image, just like the thing that we added earlier. So let's we'll name this image. We'll start renaming our stuff so we can have better, what's it called? So this will be PC screen, all lowercase. Widget, existing widget name, we'll do then screen art. And then we're gonna add another image, so type in image, drag this on here, and we don't need to do anything fancy other than, you know, center it, I guess you could say. But basically, we're gonna make this like that, so it's a gray button, and we're gonna name this rename, and we're gonna name this status. I feel like that's not how you spell status. Hey Siri, how do you spell status? It's like, yeah, that's right.
Status.
Oh shit. I thought it was STATUES. Or is that statue? Hey Siri, how do you spell statue?
Statue.
Yeah, my dumbass was trying to spell statue. Alright, take 5. Take 5. No fucking way, bro. No way, bro. I'm almost as dumb as I look. Nah, I look bad as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'd hit. I'd hit. Bro, what is this guy talking about? Every day, it's always something new. Not me making my own clips off rip. What did I just scroll on to? You scrolled on to the Gunathon. Oh my god, I should name the streams the Gunathons. That's genius. Yeah, that's genius. Everybody in chat is saying no, that is not genius. Chat spamming TOS. Alright, bro, chill. Okay, now they're spamming eggplants. Okay, yep. This is what I've caused. Damn, don't move, I'm almost finished. Bro, what are you... Alright. Alright, bro. Move the train a little bit more, like so. Boom. Boom clot. Boom clot. Alright, perfect. Okay, so we got the status bar and shit, and we're gonna change this color. Oh wait, it'll change based off everything, bro. What's up, man? What happened? Everything good? Everything good, old boy games? Yo boy games. Your boy games. What seems to be the issue, huh? Tell me. We're gonna add a text. Text. Just a normal text. What are you doing? I'm game developing right now. Yep. That's what I'm up to. What you doing right now? What you doing right now? We're gonna add a text, a rich text block, text blocks, editable text block. I think just a regular text block would be straight. And in this text block, first let's change the color to black. We'll do black. Perfect. And not really. What do you mean not really? I forgot what I asked. I'm game developing. Oh, I lost my dogs. I had like about 10 and I lost 2 of my cats. Aw, that's very sad. I'm sorry. I have one dog that I like really love. That's like my main dog. And then there's another dog like that's in the house or that's outside the house or whatever. And she's cool too, but like I couldn't imagine losing my doggy. So I feel for you, bro, cause I'd be worried about that stuff, honestly. Like, oh, what if like I'd be worried about the day when my dog passes away, like how life's gonna be after that. It just kind of scares me. Not gonna lie to you. So I'm sorry that you lost your dogs. And then I own no cats, but I do want to get a cat one day. Nobody asked me. All right, I'm sorry. I'll shut up. Luck me, I guess. I'm just playing. It was sad. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, man. But I hope you find them. Since you said they lost, I hope they're out there, and I hope you find them. UMG scaling is annoying as hell. What's UMG scaling? Scaling. And welcome to the live, Piltech. How you doing? How you doing, Mr. Piltech, man? I like that name, Piltech. That's an interesting name. I fuck with it, bro. I'm gonna do a quick advertisement. Everybody go follow my Twitch. Alright, that's it. UMG is for the UI Unreal. Oh yeah. I knew that. Distraction, titty jizz, jiggle physics. Yeah, man, I did not know that. I'm still new out here. Alright, I'm trying to make this text bigger. I need to size this bitch up. Is it this one? No, it's the position. It literally says position right here. Oh, you mean they died? Oh, damn. I'm sorry. Well, my condolences. May your puppies rest in peace, or your doggies rest in peace. I have been a game developer for over 15 years. Wow, bro. Did you go to school and whatnot? That's awesome. That's freaking awesome. I love meeting experienced game developers. I guess you could say. I wouldn't even say you're experienced. I would say you are the game. You're a goat, bro. You're a goat. 15 years is crazy. That's just GOAT status right there. Hey, what's up, Green Coke? Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you, my boy, for showing up. Cats and dogs are replaceable when they pass away. You just get a new one. No, it's not. It's I mean, yeah, it's replaceable, but it's not even like I can't do it, honestly. This shit hurts. But Piltech, you got your bachelor's degree and computer science. I have nothing. I have no education at all whatsoever. I have an online course to my name. That's it. Your boy games. I'm multi-streaming, so I'm streaming on multiple platforms. So I'm talking to the other chats that are popping up. Who's Rotund Fox? Welcome to the stream. Cash Out. Welcome to the stream. Font size is on the left panel. Left panel. This is the right panel, fool. It wouldn't be over here. Your channel name is Ah. What's up, Ah? Better that you do it quickens the morning process loss. Oh, really? I didn't know that. That's good advice. Piltech, are you still here? I have a question. Right, I mean. Okay, you said font size. Right here. Thank you, you're a beast. That's font family. I meant to click font size. Thank you, my boy. My blind ass did not see it. Hey, how come it's out outside the box? Never mind. Text block. Alright, what was this gonna say? We wanted to say two things. Do you play Roblox? Yes, you're good, my boy. I appreciate you for even letting me know where it was at. Yeah, I play Roblox. I actually want to make a Roblox game one day, like after the whole Unreal Engine thing. Oh man, my friend left. I wanted to ask that game dev 15 years questions. He just put a dead emoji. Yeah, I play Roblox a little bit. Like scary games and whatnot. I used to play Adopt Me. I used to play Adopt Me, bro, with my ex. Alright, we're gonna name this, we want to name this, something slash something. So, we're gonna name it position slash ready. Ready position. Position ready. Yeah, we're gonna name it position slash ready. That's the position slash ready. Perfect. And I want to make this Times New Roman. Same. You've played Adopt Me? I'm not gonna lie. I have the best. I have the rarest Adopt Me pet in the game. That black dragon. I forgot what it's called, like the Shadow Dragon or some shit. People, when I pull that shit out, people go nuts. What are you doing that for? Doing what for? The text? The position slash ready? I'm bad at Adopt Me. I got good at it just to get my girlfriend a bunch of pets. And then I ended up wanting certain pets. So I started grinding like crazy. All the events, all the different events or whatever. But I haven't played that game since me and her broke up, so. Good memories, good times. Let's cry about it later. Alright, position ready. I want to change the font. Yeah, the text. Why that text? Okay, so basically the way it works is, compile this real quick. Basically the way it works is, we have a train outside. And when I push play, these rail cars over here, a pair will spawn right here. So once I press play, the game's going to spawn these rail cars, and then these are going to stay here. And so basically, this train drives forward and parks a rail car under the conveyor belts in position so the conveyor belts can fill up the car, right? So that's the explanation. Now let me show you. So I push play. And now bear with me, the stream is gonna lag. So, as you see over there, now there's rail cars that are spawned, and then also the rail cars that I was talking about, they're still all the way down there. So, the problem is, right now, is that I'm streaming on my PC and trying to play the game. And my PC cannot handle both. It can only handle one. So my examples that I show you are going to be laggy. The times where it's not laggy is when I stream off of my PC when I'm at home. But right now I'm not home. I'm somewhere secret. Okay. What's that game? It's a horror game based off of a cement plant job that I work at in real life. And there's skinwalkers that haunt you and whatnot. So basically, turn off the flashlight. Come on, flashlight, turn off, please. Alright. I'm lagging hardcore. So basically, if I look out this window, I could drive the train with this remote, because in real life you could drive a train with a remote, and you would just put the car into position like so, and then you'd push this button, and then now you can't drive the train, and you could see that there's little lumps over the rail car. And pretty much that just shows that there's material in there. So if I reverse the train right now, and I go outside to show you what it looks like. I can actually fly over there. I'll just fly over there. Did I push the right button? Oh, it's this button. I lied. Oh, there we go. Oh. Let me push this button. Okay, so there we go. So as you see, I just put material in this. What game is that in? This is Unreal Engine. This is the game that I'm creating. So it'll be on Steam when it's released. But yeah, we filled this car up with material now. And so basically the train went under here, filled up because of these conveyor belts. And so we're just trying to communicate how to do that kind of in this. So basically at the bottom here, it shows the car green when you're in position. This is where you would position the rail car. And it has like the, oops, let me click something else. If you look right here, the beams, the little V's, or W's I guess you could call it, the little W's. And then go back over here, and it's the same concept right here. The beams, the little V's or W's or whatever you want to call it. So this shows you how to position the car. And if it's not in position, it'll be red. Now as for why this text, so this white bar is actually going to be either green if it's in position, yellow if it's in position and loaded, or if it's just loaded in general, and then red if it's not in position and it's not ready. So green, it'll be ready for loading, and so basically that's what this indicator is. And so the player will be able to look at inside their office at their PC screen to see if you're able to load or not, and then if you are, you could push this button over here. That's basically how it works in real life. And then we have other tasks to our game as well. Pick up trash, put tools away, find lube gun, walk rail cars, sweep office platform, and load train. So all the tasks are already in the game. I just finished the train task the other day. Now I'm just trying to get the communication for the train task, and then I can move on to this monster and finish animating it and all that stuff like that. And then I could work, and then I got to work on sound on all that, sound effects, and then I can release the game. Hopefully by December. I've been working on this game since about March. Okay, so we got that. Let's go ahead and find that font that I want. I want a Times New Roman font. Appearance. Here we go, font. Font family, typeface, bold. Sizing mono, so font family. Font family, tiny. So how do you get a, whoa. I really want to play that game when it's out. Do you play PC games? If you do play PC games, you can actually wishlist my game on Steam. It's available to be wishlisted on Steam, so you don't forget about it. You can also change the text to just right, not in position, ready when it is. Change the text when the game is playing. Oh, okay. Yeah, the game will only be available on PC. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the game in the background or whatever. Oh, you see? I think you can see it on the screen, right? I set that up. Oh, that's not what I'm looking at. Yeah, night shift, the cement plant at the bottom. So yeah, at the bottom of my screen, you can see it. So I don't even need to do all this. I'm doing extra. I'm out here doing extra for no reason. Close this. Close this as well. Damn, am I beating my dick? What's going on? Why is my hand tweaking? No, sorry. Who's that girl, bro? I have no idea. It's just from this app right here. VTuber. Yeah, that's all I know. I just picked a bad bitch with big titties. It fit the name, Dagger Boobs. But you could also change the text to just right, not in position. Yeah, I wanted to do that. But I was all like, that's extra step. I got lazy, I'm not gonna lie. Let me move this real quick. Looking hella cute for real. Hey Yoshi, welcome to the chat. I appreciate you. I appreciate the compliment. How you doing? How you doing? Mwah, mwah, mwah. You feel me? You feel me? Jiggle physics for you. I got you, my boy. I got you. I got you. Yes sir. Yes sir. You know what's going on. Welcome, bro. Hey Yoshi, if you're still here, if you got a PC, bro, wishlist my game on Steam, or I'ma cry, and you don't want to hear me cry. He said, "Looking hella cute." Hell yeah! You're a beast, bro. You're a beast. Yes, sir. That hell yeah better be for my wish list in my game and not my tits. Not my dagger boobs. All right. Start this. He said, "Okay." Okay, what I say? I forgot. What's your wish list? I got you, beast, bro. Okay, it's called Night Shift at the Cement Plant. You can see it on screen at the bottom of the live. Night Shift at the Cement Plant. That's what it's called. Developer is Dagger Boobs. It's basically a horror game based off of my real life job in real life. And skinwalkers haunt you, and you have to work at a cement plant while skinwalkers are amongst you. It's my first ever game. Something simple, short little horror game, just so I can learn some shit. You feel me? All right, I gotta fix this font shit. Hey, Cash Out. Is there a way to add font to this? Cause I want Times New Roman. Excuse me. So every time I look at the chat, I go like that. What if I put the chat right here then? Does that make anything better? Maybe. Bro, you're glitching out. I know. It happens when I move off of. Cause sometimes I'll be moving off my mic and it happens. Other times, I glitch on purpose so you can see my tits bounce. I'm not gonna lie. Anything for the physics. All right, let me look this up. I added a text widget, but I want to make the font Times New Roman in Unreal for this particular part, for this particular text in the widget. So how do I add that font? I only see family font. What if it just doesn't matter and that's just an extra step? If it's easy, I'll do it. If it's not easy, I'm not gonna do it. And thank you, Yoshi. I appreciate you for the wish list, bro. You are a beast. You are a beast, and we should make out. Probably not. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Probably not. Stop clip farming, bro. Okay. Oh, I'm talking to myself now. I'm crazy. Okay, you need to import Times New Roman font to Unreal Editor. Times New Roman font. Find the Times New Roman file on your computer or download it from Google Fonts. Import content browser. Right-click the .tt file. Import. Create the font. Right-click the create font. Name it Times New Roman font. Utin. I don't even care, bro. We're not doing all that. Good to know. When I'm making a game I actually need to do that for, then I'll do it. But let's make this text position ready size better, and let's make it bold as well. So, Roboto. I like this better. I like that better, not gonna lie. So Roboto tiny, and we're gonna have the size go up a little bit, like so. Position ready. That's perfect. Position ready. We're gonna go to our status. We're gonna make our status a wee bit bigger. We gotta go back. We're gonna just make it a wee bit bigger, going this way and this way. Okay, I have to go. All right, man. I hope you have a good day, bro, or a good night, whatever time it is for you. I hope to see you later on in a future stream. I usually stream around this time at night. and sometimes during the day. I do video games and a bunch of other stuff, bro. But have a good one, man. Thank you for stopping by and say hi. So position ready, and the text, we're gonna go ahead and anchor this to the center like so everything's anchored properly. And then let's go ahead and do our save real quick. Let me turn around. All right. So boom, there's that. We can compile this, and yeah, so now we have our status bar, and now we just need our status. Okay. Okay, I got it. So now I need to create the actor class, correct? So now that the widget's created, I create the actor class, and then we're going to start adding some code and whatnot. Okay, I got it. Wait for this load. Exactly. Now we need to create an actor class that can display your widget on your computer screen. Perfect. Exactly. All right. Content drawers. C++ classes. Go to our classes. So again, just give me a moment. I'm constantly adjusting this. Yep. Wait, I got 4 new followers from this stream alone? Yo, let's go. Jamaica, they're trapped down in Jamaica. They can't even Jeopardy. On PS5. Gang, what are you doing? Who's this guy? How come I never seen this tech comment? So that we can start copying shit, you feel me? Alright, bro, what's wrong with me, bro? You property. And we're gonna go ahead and name this visible anywhere. Wait, shouldn't it be edit anywhere? Honestly, I fuck with edit anywhere over everything. Not gonna lie to you. Edit. Alright, man. Alright. Edit anywhere. How come it's not popping up? Edit anywhere, comma. Category equals comp. Let's just copy this. Alright, so the first thing that we're doing here is burping. Alright, the second thing we're doing here is class. U static mesh component pointer. Where's my pointer at? Screen mesh. Semicolon. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a UWidget component. So class UWidget pointer. Oh, sorry. Component pointer to monitor widget. That's how I remember how to spell widget. Widget. I'm not the brightest in the room, as you can tell. Alright. Then we're going to name this system. Yes, sir. Oops. I'm making little errors. It's not even like an actual error. So system, this will be class a control box. So basically what this does, linked control box. So basically what, hey, we have issues right now. Where's everything else? Put that right there real quick. We're looking, there it is. So we're gonna open up this. Also open up this, move this over here. And then our horror character, we need our horror character open. And this is open as well. Horror character open as well. There we go. I don't know what happened or how it happened. PC monitor controlbox.h. Wait, where's my other control box? Okay, they got me doing a bunch of shit right now, bro. It's pissing me off. Okay, We need our control box open. But anyways, so we have our control box, link control box. Cool. Perfect. Minimize that. Coughing. I'm coughing. I'm thirsty. I need water. I'm actually dying here. It feels like I got pepper in my throat. Y'all ever get like a piece of pepper stuck in your throat? No, just me? Okay. I bet you get a lot of stuff stuck in your throat. Bro, what are you talking about? Yo. Yo. Brian. Chill, bro. Chill. And welcome to the stream, by the way. What an introduction. Chat, I'm lying. That's just my schizophrenia. Ain't nobody said that. That literally just came from my brain right now. I literally made it up. You see it, Brian, anywhere? No, you don't. You know why? Because I just made that shit up, chat. And now I'm going to clip it. I don't have schizophrenia, by the way. But when it comes to streaming, you have to. No one's in chat? Start imagining they're in chat. Schizo chat is what I like to call it. Alright, let me move this around. Link, blah, blah, blah. We need F timer handle. F timer handle. How you spell handle? Update timer handle. Update timer handle. Did I forget the semicolon? I sure did. Control Z, semicolon. And then we want a U function. And that U function is going to be void update screen display. Oh, I should probably mention how I want it. Because I don't think I ever explained. I kind of just explained I wanted something changing colors, and I said it was circles, but now it's not a circle. Instead, it's a square. So, yeah. Ooh. La la. Okay. And start. Virtual void, blah, blah, blah. Display, and blase. Oops, and blase. Alright, then we go into our PC monitor and we pretty much just add over here PC monitor mesh or PC mesh equals create default sub object alligator sign u static mesh component and close alligator sign parentheses text in all caps parentheses quotations, and we'll say PC mesh. PC mesh, like so. Did I do that right? Hey chat, did I get that? Talk to me, did I get that? Screen mesh, PC mesh. Alright, I just fucked up on their names. We're gonna keep it the same name. Screen mesh. Oh, I forgot the root component. God damn it, I was so close. I'm starting to remember a little bit. Aren't you proud of me? Alright, now donate if you're proud. Yo. Just kidding. I'm not in it for the money. I'm in it for the camaraderie. I'm in here for the camaraderie. That's the word I was trying to come up with. Wait, let me finish my sentence, please. Before y'all start typing in the chat, hey, yo. I knew this nigga was weird. Okay. Well, thanks. Thanks, Robert. Appreciate you, my boy. If you ain't weird, you're boring. That's what I like to say. Back in my day, that's what I say. Back in your day, bro. What do you mean back in your day, chat? Back in your day, what? How you just gonna type back in my day and say nothing else? Alright. Good talk, I guess, chat. Create widget component for our monitor. Mr. Westain is playing rematch. Hold on, we're gonna have to go on our Discord real quick. Let me find out motherfuckers is in Discord playing soccer without me. Let me find out motherfuckers are in Discord playing soccer without me. Cause I will stop this game development and I will start shitting on niggas in rematch. Let me find out. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. That's what I fucking thought. Think you just hop on that shit without me. Shit. Yeah, you better be playing by your motherfucking self. Cause if y'all alright, anyways. Screen mesh. Okay, then we have the same fucking concept right here. Which I could just copy and paste it. Put that bitch right there. And we just rename some stuff right here. So monitor. God damn, I can't smell. Smell or spell? I can't spell. Monitor widget equals the same fucking word, widget, and it is not a static mesh component. It is a widget component, like a so. Let's delete that S. So see, you made that all nice and faster for us. That's awesome. So now let me just collect this. Control C, Control V. So this thing to set up attachment issues, screen mesh like a so. You feel me? Y'all gooning into this or what? What am I saying? All right. Set widget space parentheses widget space colon world semicolon, baby. Let's go. Control V again. Feel me? Pointer. Set drawstring size. Yup. We freaky in this hoe. Are we game devin or goon devin? The world may never know. F vector. We're gonna throw them vectors up. 2D. If there's any programmers in here listening to this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I just fucking spawned and started talking about goon devin and shit. I know none of you heard it. That's what I'm naming next stream, Goon Dev. I'm losing my mind. Alright, so we're gonna add some shit to. Oh, we're just getting the world timer. That's it. Get world timer. Oh yeah, because we have the F timer. What's it called? Usually you always have to do this. Alright. That's a bot. Q bitch. The best viewers are the fake viewers, is what you're telling me, Mr. Botman? That was funny as hell. I really thought Ryan was saying all that stuff. I was like, no way you played gay. I'm so proud of you. Nah, he wasn't playing gay. He didn't even say any of the stuff I thought he said. The disappointment that I felt in my heart that night. Sorry guys, I just started reading a novel. I'm definitely not talking to myself over here in this corner. As I look out the window. I said hornily. I said hornily is hilarious to me. That's like one of my best lines yet. Alright, bro, what am I talking about, bro? This Twitch shit, this stream shit making me go buck nutty. And I never say buck nutty. But I learned what buck nutty was from Forge Labs because every single time he did a 100 days video, he was talking about something being buck nutty. And so I concluded that buck nutty was something crazy, I guess. And then I realized I am the pinnacle. I am the epicled of a pinnacle. Apical? What's the word? Epitome. I am the epitome of buck nutty. Nigga said a pinnacle. What the fuck is a pinnacle? I'll goon right now. Tell me what that shit is or else. I'm not afraid to shoot. Just oh my god, bro. I'm gonna make a video game and it's gonna be called the Gooner Games. And basically you're gonna have to make a long story short, basically you're gonna have to whoever could beat their PP the fastest in the game wins. And it's gonna be called the Gooner Games. Yeah, I hear the crickets too. Don't worry. I know. I'm not even gonna clip that. I was gonna clip that, but the crickets were too loud. That one. Okay, back to game devin. Last brain rotting. Update. Let me update you. Update. Timer. Handle. This because we're targeting this, and then an address. Yes, sir. An address to a computer screen. A computer screen. A PC monitor, I lied. A PC monitor. You feel me? Colon, update screen display comma 1.f comma true in it ho, you feel me, parenthesis, close it out. Alright, create this class and we'll set up the widget connection next. Alright, so update screen display, right? Now we need to pull that out of our ass over here. So update screen display. Let's go ahead and create the implementation for it. A blase bluesy bloom right there, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and if parentheses not linked control box, then we just return that hoe to the store, nigga. Shit, get that shit out of here. Now let's add some comments so we know what the fuck is going on. So update screen based control box / loading zone status. This will connect your widget and update the indicators. For now, just log status. So over here, we're gonna update status, and then over here, for now, we're gonna log status. Right? For now, log status. And when it comes to ulogs, I like to just copy and paste because I get lazy. Because who doesn't know how to make a ulog? Me, I don't. I know how to make a simple one, but with this %s and all the other bullshit, I'll be so confused and shit. Also, we gotta add our includes to the top of this motherfucker. And we're just gonna go ahead and copy them shits. So we're gonna need all these in here. Control box, load zone, to go ahead and communicate to the other classes what's going on. So that's important. And yeah, PC monitor. Let me make sure I didn't mess anything up though, because I want to make sure real quick that I did a PC monitor right here. That's the most important thing. So let's go ahead and compile this and figure out what errors we got. Yeah, because we definitely got some errors for sure. We definitely do. I promise you. Yep, there we go. When did I even put that? Line 36? Line 36. Come here, line 36. Where the fuck are you at? There we go. That was why. What game you working up? What's up? Welcome to the chat, Hanashiro. the game that I'm working on, I'll give you a little tour right now. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for coming in and saying hello. The game I'm working on right now, I'm adding a PC to the game, a PC screen. So that's basically the PC screen right here. But the game I'm working on is a horror game at a cement plant. Go ahead and show you what kind of looks like in lit mode or whatever. Kind of looks cool in what's it called? It looks better in lit mode. But I'm working on a PC game where basically you are, I'm going to put it in lower quality. You are playing a game and you're at a cement plant, which is my real life job. So this game is based off real life. And you're loading trains pretty much. So you load trains, and then there's other tasks that you do. Load trains, so you sweep your office, walk the rail cars, find the lube gun, pull tools away, pick up trash, stuff like that. And there's like different areas. There's an underground area over there, so you can go underground and whatnot. You can go inside the silos and whatnot. And there's also tunnels over here, and then a building over here and whatnot. So you get to explore the map and all that stuff like that. And basically, there's skinwalkers like this little guy right here that will chase you and haunt you and whatnot. So you're in the middle of nowhere in a desert at a cement plant, where skinwalkers haunt you and you have to complete the job. It's my first ever game. It's a simple idea. I would like to, I could show you a little bit, if I push play, my game's going to start lagging really, really bad because I can't stream and play the game at the same time because it's not optimized. The game's not optimized yet. You taking any advice? Yeah, I would love to take advice. I'm open to it. I'm a new dev. I'm new here. With no education no degree, no nothing, just a course and the use of AI. So yeah, I would love to take, what's it called? Also, my game is available to be wishlisted on Steam if you want to wishlist it. It's called Night Shift at the Cement Plant, and you can see on screen at the bottom of this live that it's available for wishlist on Steam. So if you have time, please do that, man. I appreciate that. If not, either way, thank you for stopping by. And what advice you got from me, my boy? And you could drive the train, see? This remote controls the train, because in real life you can control the train. And then once the train's in position, you push this button right here, and then it loads it. It starts loading. So zoom out, look at the map, and look at what empty spots you have, and fill in if possible. I was gonna let me put this down real quick. So I was gonna, cause in real life, there's a bunch of plants everywhere. And so I was gonna add the plants. I made the plants and all that stuff. But then once I turned off the light, it was just dark. And I was like, you can't even see the plants. Because like the player's not gonna be able to go all the way out over here. Maybe just over here to the trains and whatnot. They're gonna be limited to like this little zone. So I do plan on adding more stuff to do the like plants and whatnot. But this is literally how it looks in real life. It's like a middle of a desert, and then there's like stuff around, and it's like exactly like this. Have you thought about making the plants really low poly and still have them in the distance? Yeah, I already made the plants. So the plants are already in the game. I'll show you. Structures. So we got plants right here. We got the bushes. We got 4 different bushes, and then we also have the Joshua tree, which is right here. We have 2 different sets of Joshua trees: a single Joshua tree, and then three Joshua trees. I hope you can see that on stream, because I know I'm vertical. You should be able to see it. But yeah, we have different tree meshes. So basically, what I was gonna do is, like you said, put low poly, and then I was gonna scatter it around. I just haven't done it yet because it's what's it called? I thought you meant like a water tower radiation plant. No, it's just a cement plant. So there's like fucking in the middle of a desert, in the middle of some mountains, just like random structures, and they all like make this stuff called clinker. So basically the way it works is over here, this is the plant itself. There's towers, and the towers cook material, and that material becomes clinker. And then there's conveyor belts, and to fuel these towers, they have a coal pad, which is just a big pile of coal. And then they bring the material from there over by belt, and then it gets stored in these containers. The dome, the silos, and the barn is what they call it. And then there's conveyor belts, like as you can see, going from the barn. And then if you go inside, maybe I should put unlit back on. If you go inside underground, we have our conveyor belts underground and our feeders. And so basically, these storage materials put the material onto the belt. The material brings it up onto the conveyor belts, and then it dumps it into the train's rail cars, which are these things right here. And then this train will drive off past these mountains and drive towards the city, and then drop those trains off. That's basically like the premise of my IRL job. And I'm just in this office, pushing this button, loading a train, or I'm outside getting a new train, or walk-in trains, or cleaning track or stuff like that, or sweeping and all that good stuff. But I might add more. That would be smart, just to fill in a little bit. I could add like my own little touch to the map to make it look less empty. So what about it is horror other than the monster thing? So it's the night shift or whatever, and I got the idea from one time I was walking in between the trains and my flashlight like shut off, and I was in the pitch black dark, and I'm in the middle of the desert on top of that, and so it was kind of creepy. Like I wasn't scared, but I was like, oh wow, this is creepy. Like imagine this being a video game. And then I became a video game developer, and I was like, I'm gonna make this video game. So basically it's just like in the middle of deserts, or in the middle of forests, or in the middle of a lot of areas or whatever, there's like a lot of talk about skinwalkers. And so I've always said, while working at this cement job, I always said like this would be like the perfect place for like a zombie apocalypse or like skinwalkers. And so basically it's just a random job in the middle of nowhere, and it fits in with the lore for the skinwalkers. So I was like, oh, we're just gonna make it skinwalkers. So that's basically what it's about, just skinwalkers and shit. Like I said, simple idea just for a first game. I know it's not like, I'm not expecting this game to blow up or anything like that. I'll be happy if I make my money back from paying Steam to make a Steam page. If I can make $100 back, I'm straight. This is just all learning and shit. Gotcha. So why not include some sort of diff puzzles where you can trap it and get away on the train? I thought about puzzles, but I don't know. Felt like a lot of work. Not gonna lie to you, it felt like a lot of work for a first game. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible, because I watch other game devs, and they're always saying, for your first game, keep it simple. So I didn't think about, or I didn't end up choosing puzzles because I was trying to keep it simple. It did cross my mind though. Like I wanted to make a puzzle to get into this. So there's two rooms in this room right here. There's two doors, but this one's locked, and you can go through this door. I wanted to make a puzzle for the player to get into this room, but I ended up choosing not to do that, just for the mere fact of trying to take the advice of the game developers. It's a lot of work. Would you want to hop in Discord and chat? Yeah, I'm down. That'd be cool. Are you talking about like right now, this very moment? Because we could do it later possibly. Are you a game developer by chance, or are you just a game player? I guess I would be called a gamer, not a game player. All right, bro, I'm losing it. And also, before I accept that request to hop in Discord, are you above the age of 18? We can hop in a VC. I work on VR chat worlds, and I've won 2 game jams. Oh wow, that's beast. All right, perfect. Yeah. All right. My Discord is Dagger Boobs. Zagaboobs. Alright, let me know when you added me. Two game jams, bro. That's crazy. Congrats. Do you have like a... Actually, I'll just ask you on the call, bro. I'll just ask you on the call. I see it. Bluzzy. Bluzzy, 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 bluzzy. Alright, beep. Bluzzy, bluzzy, bluzzy. Wait, I can't hear the call ring. Is my audio fucked up? Hello?
Yeah,
Yo, what's good?
nothing much. Yeah. I was about to hop on YouTube, but then I hopped on TikTok, and then I was surprised to see that someone was actually creating a game through Unity or Unreal Engine.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm glad you came through it. I always like meeting game devs. I haven't really talked to many though, like over voice.
I got you. Yeah, a lot of people usually stick to just talking through text and trying to get a bunch of different tasks done at one time. So Game Jam, I'm sure you've seen what it is.
Yeah.
If you're already working on something. There's a website where you can actually go to compete on Game Jams.
Yeah.
And literally my first Game Jam that I did is...
You cut out.
if you were to go and you talk to a bunch of people. However, if you talk to the wrong person, you are basically an undercover trying to get a bunch of different combinations for this lock at the end of the game.
Mm-hmm.
And if you talk to the wrong person and in the wrong way, you would get killed. So.
Oh damn. That's dope.
Yeah, and then there was another one where I made a mutation one where you would basically mutate into a bunch of different animals.
Oh wow. With the mutation thing, you made the meshes and whatnot for it, like yourself, or did you like download them or asset?
So I don't know if you know, there's a thing called Meshy where you can actually use Meshy to create a bunch of different 3D models.
Like out of AI?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Which I know a lot of people hate AI. However, it helped me when I was in a very tight circumstance. And the game jams don't ever take out AI, because if you need to fix a problem or something and that's going on, it's used to use.
What's it called? I'm gonna check it out.
Meshy, M-E-S-H-Y.
Meshy. Oh, that's not how you spell it. Meshy. Okay, I don't know how to spell. Meshy. Meshy AI.
Yeah.
Okay, bet. I'm gonna favorite this and check it out later. So you said you made the monsters or the characters like shift into animals and whatnot, and you did that all through Meshy?
No, so the Meshy only makes 3D models. However, it can also make 3D models like humans. If you wanted a human that walked or had a walking animation, you can do that too. But basically, Meshy gives you the 3D models, and then you can use your own programming or whatever to make it do what it needs to do. So mine, it would shrink it to where it looks like it was changing into something else, and then it would enlarge the new 3D model, which would be what you would control after that. That way, you see the transformation pretty much.
Oh wow.
You know how whenever you were playing Pokemon and you would throw a Pokeball at a Pokemon and it would shrink down into the Pokeball?
Yeah.
Think of it that way, except it would, as soon as it went into it, it would then reverse that into a different Pokemon pretty much.
Okay. Is that what most game people do for like what's that game? Lethal Company? There's like that little baby walking around. I don't know if you know about that game. And then it turns into a man-eater.
I think they just did a So in Lethal Company, you have a meter that you're not able to see, and it's called oh my god, what is it called? It's an invisible meter, and it's called something like delusion or insanity. It's called insanity. And so every time you're away from your team and you hear things, it gives you more insanity. And so once you're built up so much and you get to the baby part, it would then read your insanity bar, and then it would transform. And I think how it would transform, I haven't seen it actually myself, so I might need to search that up. But I think they just did a flash transformation where it would just jump into it. But I can go search baby Lethal Company.
Because I want to make I want there to be like a dog in my game that like just shifts in, or a human, one of the two, and they just turn into a fucking skinwalker like right in front of the player. I want that to be one of the monsters.
No, that good baby. Good baby. Yeah,
Good baby.
my baby, like that.
Oh wait, no. So what they did is they actually made it to where once the baby gets angry, it extends the limbs, so it would go up into its body and disappear, like the larger body.
Mm-hmm.
Which is actually really cool. I've never seen that.
So
And
is
looks
it
like the head is the same?
is it basically two different meshes?
Yeah, it looks like it.
And so they kept the mesh inside the baby, and then when it was time to come out, it just popped out the baby, and the baby went small. And now the baby mesh is inside the monster.
Pretty much. So as soon as the baby gets mad, think of it this way: if as soon as the baby got mad, the arms that went long first are the first things that spawn. So the arms got longer, stretching the baby's body to go upwards. And once it got upwards, the bigger body part spawned, meaning the baby has to be inside of it, and then the head itself is, the baby head. So they just made the baby body disappear along with the baby legs.
And they did all this through animation, not through Unreal.
Correct. So that they're using Unity. Unity is a lot easier to use to me,
Oh, okay.
which I'm surprised you're starting with Unreal Engine.
I heard a lot of bad things about Unity with the stuff that happened to Danny Dev, and how he had owed a bunch of money once they changed their policies to some weird nonsense. Because I was initially gonna go with Unity, but because that whole drama that happened, I didn't really do my research on it either. So I just kind of hopped on the bandwagon of hating Unity, even though I don't actually hate it.
I use Unity because, VRChat is based around Unity, and I already started learning it before I was even in VRChat.
How long have you been game developing?
The first time I actually started doing this was like a year and a half ago.
Mm-hmm.
And then right after I started doing the game jams is whenever I was like, oh, this is pretty cool.
Oh, okay.
So I don't really do it constantly. It's just something like if someone wants me to help them with a project, I'll just be like, okay. Like I was working on a How to Train Your Dragon, but for VR.
Yeah. Hey, what's good?
Which that's always cool.
What's
Having
good,
we
Nawfal?
basically
How you
made
doing? Avatar is a
thing
baby
where
girl.
If you get on the dragon, you can
Welcome to the
control it,
stream.
fly around, and do a bunch of different stuff.
Yeah.
You can also fight with the dragons. And I made the entire script part of the system where it would interact with the dragon. Literally, I was the main one working on the script for it. It was pretty cool.
Did you go to school? Like how did you learn?
Literally, I started using. So, have you looked up code? I think it's code.org or something, where you can learn the basics. And then I also looked at a bunch of YouTube videos, and then along with that, I just like if I ever get stuck, I just use AI to say why isn't this working, and then it'll tell me why it's not working, and then I'll fix it.
Yeah, so you're basically just like me then. I took an online course to learn Unreal and C++ to understand the basics. And then after that, it was from GameDev.tv website. After that course, I just would wing it, YouTube videos or just AI. Mainly AI, just talking to AI, saying what I want, and then it'll help me figure everything out. And then learning Blender and whatnot.
Yeah, because after a little bit, you'll end up needing to figure out. But then, right as soon as you have a problem, you can just be like, "Why isn't this working? Give me a reason."
Yeah. If it wasn't for AI, I would probably have to go to school.
Valid. Same.
It's cool to meet somebody like that because I feel like some people, like, I think the other day I had someone in my chat and they said, because I asked them about the use of AI and they're like, why would you use AI? And he's like, if you use AI, that's not your code and I want to write my own code. And then I was all like, I don't care to be a programmer, so I don't care whose code it is as long as the game is being designed.
Yeah, some people are too sensitive. To me, I don't really care as long as you know you're making it an interactive and fun game. Because think about it, it's technically no one's code because you can write code a million different ways and it would all be the same.
Damn, that's good. We'll use that next time. Next time somebody says something, it's not your code.
Yeah, you can make an extension to a code also. Like if you had written the same code as the AI, right?
Yeah.
You can add on to that code and it would pretty much do nothing. Like you can make it in a different way. So like if you're using a local, the local extension whenever you're writing code.
No, what's that?
So basically local is things that is in the script itself, relating to just that script. So if you're wanting to relate back to an adjective or some sort of object, you would use the term local, and then you would write whatever you're needing to write. So if you just wanted to use a different term of local, you can relate back to a different script. So you can write the script name down. You can use server script service, and then use a colon, and then then write out what you wanted to. You can do those two different ways, and it would still be the same.
Oh wow. Have you made a multiplayer game?
No, I want to, but I don't know how much that would even cost because I got no money for that.
Wait, why would it cost money?
To run a server.
Oh. Like a server for testing or just once you release the game?
Releasing the game.
What if it's like, would you have to buy a server, for example, like The Forest or Sons of the Forest? Yeah, you can do it through Nitrado, like if you get a server company or whatever. But before Nitrado was compatible with Sons of the Forest, it would kind of just be like, oh, you would join your friend's game through their Steam, kind of like that. You have to pay for that to be able for them to be able to like join the friend through the Steam.
I'm not completely sure. Let me figure that out.
Because like Among Us and Lethal Company, it's kind of like you just join your friend. So I was under the assumption maybe your friend would be like the server, so I wouldn't have to pay. If you do have to pay, that's poop. Update monitors, update screen display.
All right, so it does say that there is ways, and it says that on Unreal Engine, once you reach 1 million revenue, then they'll start charging you for that one. And they have built-in networking for Unreal Engine to be multiplayer. For Unity, it's free until you make 100,000 a year, which I'm sorry, but like if you're making 100,000, you should use a more secure server, anyways.
Yeah.
And then it says Go.Engine is another free one, and then Monogame, C#, and Python are also free. So if you were to just like write a complete game from the raw script, that would be free. And then it says there is multiplayer hosting options, which is peer-to-peer, which is players connect directly and no servers needed, like you were talking about Steam.
Mm-hmm.
But it also says if, one person's laggy in there, like the host is laggy itself, it'll lag the game.
Okay.
So you got to get someone with decent Wi-Fi. And then there's cloud hosting ones like PlayFab, Photon Engine, Epic Online Services, and then Unity Gaming Services, which is just the things that come with Epic and Unity.
Yeah.
Publishing on Steam, it says obviously that's not free. It requires $100 per game. And then it says once your game earns $1,000, Valve refunds your $100 deposit.
Oh, so if I make $1,000, I'll get my $100 back?
Yeah.
Okay. I was hoping to get my $100 back just by selling the game. I didn't know I would get it back after 1,000. I don't think this game will reach 1,000. I just hope to make 100 at least.
Yeah. My back hurts, bro. I don't know why.
I'm at work right now.
You're at work right now?
Yeah, so like the game that I just gave you a tour of, and that's where I'm at right now.
Bro, how are you working and coding at the same time?
Honestly, it's a blessing. I just have my own little office and I'm just loading trains. And then the train will sit here and it'll load for like 5 to 10 minutes or whatever. And then while that's doing that, I'm just coding and streaming on Twitch and TikTok and YouTube. Because we got our own Wi-Fi.
I mean, I sure hope so. You're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. We're the only position that has like our own Wi-Fi. Nobody else on the plant has access to it. And the only reason we have the Wi-Fi was because we have to like fill out online paperwork pretty much. So it ended up working out in my favor.
Yeah. So would you get in trouble if they caught you messing around with it?
I think it would just depend on who it was, what supervisor it was. Cause like on day shift, one of the guys that worked the position, cause there's 4 total people that work the position. One of the guys, he'll have his tablets out and all that stuff like that, his game out, whatever. And then people, they'll come in. The bosses will like walk up to the door on day shift, and he claims that he doesn't put his shit away. He just leaves it right on the open, and they don't care. So it just depends on who it is. If it's like corporate, if corporate comes in, which is rare, and they seen me doing that shit, that'd be probably bad. And also, if I got caught live streaming, that'd probably be bad. And that's why I'm a VTuber right now.
I got you.
Yeah, usually when I'm at home, it'll be my actual face cam.
Valid. I VTube anyways. I don't like showing my face or anything.
Oh, you stream too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You do Switch or what do you do it on?
So if you go to my TikTok, it's the same Hanashiro one I started talking to you on. I actually forgot to follow you.
I forgot.
Oh my God, Parasite! I am so sorry. I did not mean to ignore you. Are you still here? Yeah, you're still here, bro. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, bro. Sup? What's up, Parasite? So, is this clothing class or something? Basically, he's a developer putting me on game. Wait, I have an idea. I have a business idea. Gang, for real, trust. This is a crazy idea. Let me up, bro. Please, I need to talk to you, bro. I need that attention. Hey, I'm so sorry, man, bro. I have ideas and he's ignoring me, bro. I need. Oh my God, I have an idea. Hey, Parasite, Parasite, shoot the idea, man. I'm listening. I'm here. I'm here. Let me open up chat. My bad. My bad.
All right, there you go. I followed you.
All right, bro. I'll follow you back. All right, chat. Come back. Come back. Parasite, come back. Okay, so I love Roblox. All right. And just hear me. Okay, I'm listening.
I'm checking their posts.
Your game in Roblox. Yeah, I want to make a Roblox game one day. Would it be would it be easy or would it be hard to port an Unreal game to Roblox, or would you have to just rebuild the whole shit from like scratch?
Yeah, those are completely two different things.
Goddamn. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Parasite, it's probably not gonna work. I can't rebuild this game this for a second time. But think about it.
I mean, if you put the all the meshes into an FTX, then technically you could.
Oh wow. Like from Unreal?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then I could just code everything. No, that wouldn't be too. That'd be more practice for me.
I mean, if anything, literally just copy and paste all the scripts and just say, "Hey, convert this into a Roblox script." It's they use Lua.
Lua?
Yeah, it's a Roblox thing that's literally based mainly for Roblox.
Mm. Why did TikTok chat stop working randomly? Connecting. Invalid URL. Let's just do this then.
Damn, bro, they're trying to take some of your money.
Oh god. Yeah, so YouTube works. That works. And connect to you. That's so random. It's not working. I got 50% off share. We finna be yeah. Yo, you wildin', bro. Yes, I mean we. That's hilarious. Bro came up with an idea and said we. I don't know why. TikTok chat was literally just working. What the hell happened?
No, it's probably the API then.
I'm just gonna delete it. And then add it again. Add. Connection failed again. Alright, TikTok, I'm gonna restart my stream. I'll be right back. But I have people here. I think we should have to take the L. Actually, I could pop out chat. I popped it out. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I'm just gonna leave you right there for now, I guess.
You only popped out the live performance. You didn't pop out the chat.
Yeah, I just noticed that. God damn it.
So you trying to rob my idea? Nah, I'll rob the idea. I got you. Hold on. I'll do it myself.
Hell yeah.
I got Roblox Studio already downloaded. I'm ready. I was ready for the idea.
There we go, now it's working. Can I make this super tiny? I can. I'm gonna put this over here. Atlanta tag me. Alright, time to lock in. Let's see. Now I gotta add the class. You're in my way. Content, C++ classes. Oh, I forgot to send out the text message.
Yeah, get on that phone and start sending that text.
Yo. Shit, was he just stealing ideas? Okay. Alright. So C++ classes, and then whiteboard trash, PC monitor, create blueprint. BP underscore.
Wait, so you making a game about what you do, about a job you do IRL?
Yeah, that's exactly what's going on. So you won't get sued? Nah, I won't get sued. Because they ain't gonna know about it. Nah, just playing. I won't get sued
They
because
wouldn't get sued anyway.
I don't think they could. Because I'm not using their logo or anything, or saying what the company is or any of that. I just say it's a cement plant. The company
Hell,
name,
I'm gonna make a game and call it Mickey Dick.
Mickey Dicks. I'm gonna sue the other dude. Yo, you got beef with my chat. That's hilarious.
Yo, how you gonna sue me? You don't know who I am? I'm Batman.
Bro about to sue Batman. That's crazy. What's this match called? It is called SMTV. I knew that.
Why don't you rename it to just be TV?
Hmm?
You can rename it
To be just what?
TV.
I know, but they said that the SM label to name that for like static meshes. So I started doing that. Like
Massaging my girlfriend's feet,
That's hilarious.
yelling out.
She's yelling out.
Quit complaining.
What the fuck? There it is. Static mesh. SM underscore TOV. And then components. Component class, static mesh component.
Quit complaining.
Where is it at? I forgot what it's called. I named it something in code. Then I came back where that you owe me a kiss. Oh yeah, you ready to make out? Nah, just playing. So it's gonna be a scary game. Yeah, it's gonna be a scary game. A bunch of skinwalkers and shit. Screen mesh. Yeah, it'd be under comp. U comp. Okay. Gotcha. Let me give my ideas. Can you give your ideas on the big purple app?
Yeah, at least he would make more money on the purple app.
Alright, come on over. It's Dagger Boobs. Give me a sec. Bet.
Yeah, get on over there, parasite.
Good boy. Oh my god. My live's going crazy right now. There's 172 people here? No, that's just total views, not viewers. I lied.
Damn, you got lied to.
Yeah, really. I tricked myself. I lied to my goddamn self. God damn it. Alright, I forgot.
I'm
what I
installing
was doing.
Unity right now.
You're installing it?
Unity, not Unreal.
Wait, so, like you said you sometimes won't game dev for a long time. Do you end up forgetting a lot of shit, or is it just locked in since you've been doing it for a long time?
So I'll forget it, but then I'll just go back through and look at what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
It's like whenever you got like that talent for a long time, and then you just like gotta get back into it.
Yeah.
Quit complaining.
Muscle memory. It's fire.
He's yelling.
Oops.
Yo. Yo, you're making me sound bad over here.
What are you doing? Oh.
Alright, I only have one viewer, so I'm just gonna restart stream on TikTok. Everybody else left. End live. And now. Let me see if he came over to Twitch. Not yet. Let me test Twitch out. Test. Okay, Twitch is working. It's just a titty. Boom. Exit. Go live. Go live. Exit. Test. Oh wait, I forgot to connect. Okay, now it works. That was weird. So my live just broke mid-live. Now we're good. Oh, wrong shit. Yeah, we're solid. Alright, bet. Okay. We're looking for the widgets. Class, widget class, component class, widget component, layers. Right, BP whiteboard, we don't need you no more. Task, we don't need you. Control box, we don't need you right now. Content, goodbye. Rail car monitor screen. So WBP monitor. Variable widget component. Comp. I can't find this shit. Oh, system links control box. BP control box. It's doing that same shit again it did last time. Compile. BP. Oh, I didn't put it anywhere. I didn't save it as BP. Move here. This man Parasite forgot his password to his goddamn Twitch. He's trying to get in his Twitch right now. I just know it. I just know it.
Bro, I hit the install on the Unity thing and this shit taking forever. Like, it's at like 3%.
How big is it? How big is Unity?
Unity is quite pretty big.
What the fuck just happened with my Easter phone?
There's ghosts. Select.
What I say, man, like, turned off. Oh my god.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Rotation 60. Parasite, you made it. Welcome, welcome. Let me guess, you forgot your password on. Hello?
Never dressed that crazy.
I hear you, bro. Can you hear me, Parasite? Who? No, I just made a new account. Oh, got you. It's even worse. He said I can't get into my old one, so I'll just make a new one. Click on you. Never had this before. Oh wow. Well, shit. I appreciate you making an account just for that. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to follow. I appreciate you, my boy. I need to get my follower notifications back on here. So, yes.
Why?
Appreciate you. So what are your ideas, Mr. Parasite?
All right, so real quick, I just think like we should have this plan where we take Parasite's ideas, we take them, right?
Mm-hmm.
We build them all, and then we block Parasite. I'm joking. I'm joking.
I'm dead, and then block him after. Evilness. I'm down. Let's do it. All right, Parasite, get ready. He said, "What the fuck?" He said, "Wow." Damn.
You ready?
I switched up real quick, huh, Parasite? I'm so sorry. It's the greed that sickens me. Nah, but for real, what's your ideas? Okay, so we got the shit in here. Let me look at my fucking code to figure out where the fuck what is it called? U widget component monitor widget. Oh, I have to connect the class. That's what I was doing. So go over here. What was it called? Screen mesh. Monitor widget component. I see this. User interface interaction widget component. Why isn't it letting me select the widget component I want? Screen mesh. Link control box. Okay, we gotta connect that to control box. Save that, so now that's linked. Widget, none.
Oh, put it back, put it back, put it back.
Search.
Why? No.
So two couples working at the cement plant place with the name is right then. So two couples working at the cement place. What the name is right then. Bro, English. They gonna hear groans in the dark. Alright, this took a whole left turn.
Yo. You sure we're not talking about two couples? Because why is there random groans?
Yo. This is... You know, the first day I met Parasite, he was all like... I was coding and I was like explaining what I was doing. He said, stairs harder. Yeah, stairs even harder. He said, don't move, I'm almost finished.
Yo.
He said, I'm gooning. He said, I'm gooning.
Yo. What are we on?
He's giving me sex ideas for my game, bro. Trust me, I've already thought about it, but I'm gonna save all those ideas for my survival game. I'm gonna add a game. I'm gonna add sex to my game. And peeing.
Yo, be careful talking about that on TikTok, bro.
Oh really? Oh yeah. I mean eggs.
Yeah.
Eggs. I meant eggs. Yeah.
Eggs.
Shit, you right. So the fog is creeping up on them, okay? And what happens? Oh, that shit's funny as fuck. And then the fog approaches.
Yo, no way I got hit with an ad.
Then the zombies come running out naked. Naked ones, okay?
Yo, homie, why'd you hit me with an ad?
Who? Who hit you with the ad?
Yeah. I see it.
On Twitch?
Yeah.
I promise I didn't push that button. It's just there. I don't be spamming that shit. I was watching a stream today for the first time, like from a famous streamer, because I don't really watch streams like that. And I was just like, I clicked on that shit. Two ads played, and I was like, all right, cool, yeah. And then I was like, one or 2 minutes into the video, and then boom, 9 fucking ads. It said 1 out of 9 ads. I was like, I'm good. I don't care anymore to watch this shit. That's fucking crazy.
Bro, they're like, I got one more viewer? Shit.
Yeah, exactly. Then the zombies come running out naked ones, like they are horny zombies. We still going. Alright? Alright.
Chow, I think you're gonna need to read this in your head. I don't want you to get all bad on it.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm gonna start abbreviating words.
Very unclothed zombies.
So like when they get on, you should have a button where you have to tap fast for them to
Yo,
get off.
what?
Yeah, when the zombies are
Oh.
attacking you, you have to push a button real fast. Okay.
Why are we pressing the button so fast though? What are they doing?
Because the zombies are attacking you, like they're on top of you, attacking, trying to eat your brains. Like RE5. What's RE5? Resident Evil 5. I knew it. I guessed it. Was that right? Resident Evil 5? I'm trying to connect the widget to the PC screen, but it is not showing up. I see. Component class. I see component class. But I don't see where to set the widget. Held a message. His message was too bad that Automod intervened. They should be eating. Wow, and yes. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and allow that one because that was funny. You are high as hell, aren't you, Mr. Parasite? Go ahead and give me your next idea. I want to hear more. I'm not adding your first idea. I'm letting you know right now. But let me redeem yourself. You have a chance to redeem yourself. No, I'm the H word. All right. You need to look at the widget component details for widget. Here, how to find it. Select the PC monitor actor in the level. In the details pane, find monitor widget component. Click on monitor widget and components. Look for widget section in details panel. Find widget class in the drop down. Yeah, is that not what I fucking did? Huh? Is that not what I did? Let me just type in widget. Oh, I see it now. User interface. How come I didn't see this before? Am I a doofus? Yeah. Monitor screen. Shared layers. Widget, share layers. Elements. Okay, now compile. Now our widget. Damn, this shit's huge as hell. That's such a big screen.
Hey, baby. When you get the chance, can you go to Roblox and see what my username is? Yeah, but like it won't let me put it in, and I can't find my username just by searching it.
A shotgun and a coal mine. We already have a coal mine. We have a coal pad actually, not a mine. It's like where you get chased and you could hide, you know.
I should have gotten banned. If you're not banned, I'm definitely not banned.
Who?
My girlfriend.
Oh.
So we both have different, very out-of-pocket usernames for Roblox. Hers is toe curling head, and then mine is I give leg shake and thrust.
Interesting. Hey, how come I didn't see TikTok pop up? What's going on here? Somebody just said they've been here 4 times. I pastoralized 4 times. Hide. Rewrite tells. I'm so sorry I missed you. But baby,
We'll
come
swipe
back.
again. I'm joking.
All right. Let me test this again. Yeah, TikTok's working. Did I not just see it, or yeah, I just didn't see it. I'm just a piece of shit. My Roblox username is Goontumami. All right, bro. You're canceled, bro. You're canceled. Draw size. Ooh, what did I just do? I froze my game. Is your Roblox username actually that?
Yeah.
Guntamami?
Oh wait, no.
I'm talking about Parasite. I believe your name.
Here, look, I'm gonna take a picture of my account before I sign in real quick.
Oh yes.
Or actually, I can show you on Discord.
That's crazy, bro. You're a crazy guy, Parasite. Oh, there's a screen. It was backwards. Perfect. Let's rotate it.
Go look at Discord real quick.
Is it anything bad? Meshy? Oh. I give leg shake and thrust. And then what was your girl's?
I give. Hers is Toker Lanad. It's I give Toker Lanad.
I give token. That's hilarious.
Yeah, I'm used to her Riot account because I play on her.
Mr. Wootskin muted, but here, work needs me today. I appreciate you, Mr. Wookson. I got your name right this time, Mr. Wookson, not Wookins. Hope you guys are learning a lot here. Yes, grown man, by the way. Who you talking about? Aw, thanks, Poppy. You talking about yourself, Mr. Parasite? Oh, he's talking about you. He's talking about you.
Yeah,
Oh,
I am a grown man. You fucking right. You know what? I got grown man ideals.
Mr. Parasite, how old are you? I'm 18, sir. Okay, cool. Glad you're of age, not lower. Talking about all that crazy ass shit that you're talking about. Because earlier, I had to mute someone because they were going crazy. I'm newly legal. All right, bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
Nah, how you gonna just turn 18 and then talk about me being a grown man?
Hey, he got you there, bro. You gonna take that? I'm gonna start instigating and shit.
Yo,
Where's
I'm sorry, but your TV looks a little off.
What you talking about?
Yo, hold shift when you do it. Can't you hold shift that way? It'll do it slower, like hold on to the blue and then hold shift and then drag it down.
No, it doesn't do no difference. The way to make it smaller is this.
Can you not hold shift and then it'll unlock it?
No, shift doesn't do shit. This is what locks it and
Really?
unlocks it. Yeah.
So dumb.
Damn, bro. I'm gonna have to like type in the motherfucking.
You don't have to be real exact.
All right, what numbers does this change?
Your
Okay,
name
so-
is Goon to Mommy on Roblox. Do we need to talk about that?
Here, go.
I play Roblox once a decade. Yeah, I got another idea. Can we just have Parasite's name listed on a cross where we just got the monster constantly walking over to it and just all over it?
What am I listening to? This goddamn screen's pissing me off. All right, 500. So 600. Okay, we're making progress. We're gonna do 900. All right, perfect. I'm not gonna touch it no further. And then up and down would be the blue one, obviously. The 500. We'll do 400. All right, we're gonna do 300. No 200. No 100. Yes. And then we're gonna go this W. Oh, not W. Sorry, it's not Blender. I'm my dumbass. No, it is Blender. No, it's not Blender, but that's the key. W. Yeah. Okay. And then pull this up like a so. Boom. Okay. How's the size looking? Where am I at? Okay. Side's looking
Looks pretty
great.
average.
Let's go down here. We need to go up a wee bit more. How about right here? Go up a little bit more if we can. No, we can't. You know, who cares? I'm not a perfectionist. Not today. And then
Hey,
let's-
Parasite, it's respectfully, not respectful.
So this game I played on Roblox, call it Fish It, and tell him he can go respectful, eat a long rod of BS. Yo, the beefing is crazy. Alright, let's see how it looks in game now. Not bad. Not bad. Let me actually push play.
Are you gonna put a collision on top of position ready and make it to where it turns green or something?
Yeah. Damn, it's kind of bright. Why is it so bright?
Do you have a light connected to it?
Nope.
No, we're locking you in the basement. You don't get no food.
I think I'm gonna add a key for zooming in so you can look at things.
Make it F.
F is flashlight.
Oh.
E is interact.
Make it right mouse button.
Right mount bussin. Alright.
Bussin.
Alright. Right mouse button it is.
Because think about it, everyone knows that button to be the aim button.
Oh yeah, true. That's smart. You just want to be able to zoom when you're holding this remote. Because right click is to drive when you're holding this remote.
Yeah, so why don't you click it and then make it to where it's like
Check if holding remote or not.
yeah.
He started, and tell him he can go. Oh, he started it. We will have food, right? He will be. How did he start it? Tell me how he started it. I'm gonna make a Roblox account and show you. Give me 10 hours. 10 hours to make a Roblox account?
Why did the fuck exactly? Why did it take you that long? Like, are you that slow that you don't know how to just click create an account and type in an email and then make a password?
No AVI. Oh, you have no AVI, so you have to. It's like you have like a black screen. No avatar. Oh,
Listen, my avatar is top tier. If you know the original noob avatar where it was just green and white, that's what mine is.
hey. So what kind of games do you be playing if your name is Goon to Mommy?
Apparently, she plays Fish It because that thing is fishy.
Held a message for sex-based eggs terms. Is he eating butt cheeks or something? Are you eating butt cheeks?
Nah, I'm eating sliced of cheese right now.
Shiro, Hana Shiro. I must call you Shiro. Is he eating butt? I am. Not just playing.
Yo,
We're gonna.
yo,
Yeah.
yo. Nah, back out, back out. You're done. You're written off.
Who?
What AI are you using?
Perplexity. It has like all the It has like all the what's it called? It has Sonar, GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Claude, Opus, O3, and then also DeepSeek, the DeepSeek AI. It has that you could do deep search any topic. I pay $20 a month.
You know, it only has the trial versions of those, right?
Oh really? So what would be better? Because I've been like using this for all this year.
ChatGPT, the regular version.
No way. No
That's
way,
what
bro.
I've always used.
But like, is it proven?
Yeah, go look at AI versus everything. Like they did a whole AI coding tournament.
Wow. I have an idea. AI versus everything. Who or which AI won for coding? I want to know if ChatGPT won or Perplexity AI won. And if there was one that won over those two, who was it? Google that and go into AI mode. While a definitive winner for coding AI is difficult to declare, the consensus is that Claude Opus and GPT-5 are top contenders. Perplexity AI is not a direct competitor for pure code generation, but rather uses models like GPT and Claude for augments search. Top AI models: Claude Opus, GPT-5. Is GPT-5 the same thing as ChatGPT?
Yeah, GPT-5 is literally ChatGPT.
Oh, okay, yeah. I always hear about GPT-5 being like the dominant in coding, but I always use Claude, the Claude bot on Perplexity. Perplexity
Yeah,
AI.
so
Go on.
the thing with Perplexity though is when you're using it, it's not actually using those, it's trying to function as those.
Mm. Do you use the free version of
Yeah, I'm too poor for a paid version.
Still a femboy obby? I want to make a femboy avatar. I'm hearing a yes. So we all goon to our ex's dads, huh?
No,
Yo,
my ex's dad played what was that game he played?
Destiny.
Played Destiny.
Destiny. My ex's dad passed away. R.I.P.
Yo,
Yeah.
going into ashes, are we?
Okay. Okay. I got the PC to work, but in my level, I put it in my level. So now what I want to do is basically connect it to the train's status. So when train is empty and in position, oh shit. So now what I want to do is basically connect the train to the status.
I don't
For
like
the
this white cheese.
status, I'm gonna go into your avatar. Do you need me to shake around and wave my hands and do a countdown for you? Because it's not happening. For the status, I added when the train is empty. Or for the status, I added an image to the canvas in Unreal WBP. Then I left it white with no image selected. So when the train is empty and in position, I want it to turn green. When the train's not in position, I want it to turn red. And if the a loaded train is in position, a loaded car is in position, I want it to be yellow.
What is that? What is that?
It's
If we
cheese.
ever end up in a zombie apocalypse, we cooked. Unreal, bro. This shit frying me. Just say you could have made her thick, you know. I didn't make her. She was what's it called? But I do plan on making her. What I want to do, but I'm pretty sure it's bannable, is I just want to take off all her clothes and just put daggers as
Oh,
yeah, put daggers over her boobs so it could really be like dagger boobs. You feel me? Like my logo.
That is highly bannable.
Yeah, yeah. That's my profile picture for Twitch, by the way.
I see.
But it's censored boobs, so like it works. Oh my god, I'm a bust.
It
Yo.
doesn't work in TOS.
In what?
I don't think it works in the TOS.
What do you mean?
It still has a skin limit, I believe.
What are you talking about? Oh,
I might be.
Twitch's TOS has a skin limit, so my profile picture could potentially get me banned.
I thought it did. It might not. I don't know.
Hmm.
Hold on. Let's see what the AI said.
Bro, gave me a D1 idea. A D1 idea, bro. What is it, man? I know what your idea is. Adding busing to video games. Trust me, I'm already on it. Just wait till my survival game. There's gonna be a hobo that bus on you. You have to fight him.
You're right.
I seen a
My
Minecraft
girlfriend
mod
said
of
there's
that.
already
What?
My girlfriend said there's already a game like that. It's called Breeders of the Nephilim.
Dead. I'm about to play it. Expose the widget
How do I
function.
know?
Select the status. Name it status
Yeah, she got
indicator.
me to play it.
Dead. That's lit. Do you guys both game? I want to make a Haven video.
Yeah, we do.
That's fire, bro.
I met her on VR chat. I was pounding her e-pixels.
Oh shit, that's I was pounding her e-pixels. Where can I find love like this? Oh, that's crazy, bro.
Hey, I was in one of those videos.
Very romantic, okay?
Why you want to make a Haven video, bro? He said for real? Yes, yes. I think that's the
Yeah.
method. We gotta get on VR chat and we gotta go find us some pixels to pound, mob guy. But you could be my wingman, Parasite. Actually, no, never mind. I kind of want,
I'll be your wingman.
yeah, I kind of want Shiro to be my wingman since he actually pulled, you know. I met my ex on Roblox. Jesus Christ.
Nah, we can pull together. It's okay.
Jesus Christ.
I'll have my girlfriend being a cut chair.
That's crazy.
Baby is on TikTok live.
That's okay. You know what? Let me
A
share his
few.
live to people that I actually know.
I appreciate you. You're a goat. Thank you, man. A few of your exes. So you have multiple exes from Roblox. I think that might be a sign to get off Roblox for dating. If you got multiple exes from the goddamn game. Because no way, bro. No way.
Nah, she definitely cheated on 3 of them.
He did?
That's a she. That's a she.
Parasitic is a she?
Yeah,
How do you know?
because it says in their post that they're
Bro went into the abyss. Mike cut out. Bro went into the abyss. He said it cut out. There Roblox where you can find them. Huz, trust. I met a girl from the Fips. I'm a she? Question mark. Hey yo, what happened to you, Shiro? This man went into the abyss. I guess we'll never know. I assumed you was a guy since you was gooning to my avatar. Bro, this is literally a goonathon. That's what this stream is. Philippines. He said I'm a she.
yo, I'm back.
Oh, welcome back, bro. Welcome back from the abyss.
Yeah, you're a she.
Damn. I'm a female.
Baby.
Compile the
They're an
widget.
it.
Oh, damn.
Update status indicator. Add reference to loading zone. I thought I already did the loading zone. Let me check. Yeah, loading zone's right. No, I did control box. Right. Okay. Well, I don't feel like typing this shit. and then I'll type. I'm not typing this shit either. I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, you're not a she. You're a it.
Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
You just said whoa, 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 whoa.
You don't get me banned. Don't get me banned. LGBT gonna be on my ass. Right? If right? If Control Shift P, create implementation, status indicator, update your PC
I love
monitor
how it blurred out bums.
on
I don't know.
Twitch.
dead.
I don't know.
Update
Can we get
screen
proof?
display update. You said what? Oh, I never tested if it was in position or not.
I want to swallow this one.
10-4.
Hey, my game! There's no way.
What does it say?
Why are we playing this now?
What's up, man?
What's up? Car position.
Took my phone
He-
on, and he's now taking over the game.
Damn.
I know, right? I was just making pizzas.
Damn. You gonna let that? You gonna let that slide?
That's what I meant to say.
Never mind. Take back your.
Baby, it's the same game.
I don't care. Take back your phone.
No,
I
you.
don't want it. I don't want it. That was
Okay,
boring. The pizzas were better.
The pieces were better. I must go. I have to work on my game. Oh, you're a developer too, Parasite? So what's your type? My type is Latinas.
They don't work on games. They're lying to you.
Hey, but I have to be right back. I have to go grab a new train right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up this picture that I stole from Google about stream. Be right back screen. There we go. Pull this up. Shout out Google for the free picture. Yes, I'm a game dev. Parasite, are you actually a game dev? I feel like I'm making a gunner. Yeah, you lying. You lying, bro. All right, if you're leaving Parasite, I'm about to be right back in like 15, 20 minutes or so. So stream will be right back. I'm deafin. Mr. Shiro, are you still gonna be here when I come back or no?
Nah, I'm gonna break up with you. I'm gonna have to divorce you.
Okay, fine. I'll just accept
Nah,
it.
I'm joking.
I'm gonna pull up to your house all crazy and shit. I'm gonna key your car, put dagger boobs on your car.
Not like my ex, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
Wow.
I let you know my game. All right, Parasite. All right, guys. All right, stream. I'll be back in a little bit. I'm a deafen. Alright guys, I'm back. No, X Studios, welcome to live. I will not be a VTuber forever. This is just, when I'm not home, I'm a VTuber. And then when I am streaming from my house, I'm me. I'll go back to being the sexiest game dev. Give me 1 minute, I'll be right back with you guys. I just got back. I'm gonna, heat up a piece of food real quick, and I'll be there. Come back, control. I got 19 empties. I'm back. Back in this bitch.
Oh, true papi, muñeño.
Yeah, muñeño, papi. What's up, KK Knight or KX Knight? My bad. What's up, man? How you doing? Welcome. You came just at the right time. I just got back. How's your night going, Mr. Knight? I'm just walking around calling everybody Mr. Everything, Mr. I'm eating a taco right now.
It's oil and it's like small, but we actually have the idea that he's floating only escort, but at the same time he's just like one time jabbing escort.
Not too bad. I'm trying to educate myself on more game development. So I'm guessing you're a fellow game developer. Have you made any games yet, or is it something you haven't started yet but want to get into? Do you have any education? Like, did you go to school for it and all that? Me, I didn't. I used AI and YouTube.
Learn off of AI.
Yeah. I've done heaps of development inside of games, servers, etc. What's up? Hell yeah, man. You hope you become a game dev. Get that ball rolling. Your best friend will be AI, I promise you. It's hated by a lot, but I love this shit. I would have sex with it if I could. What? I'm sorry.
Whoa.
My bad, my bad.
Alright,
I'm sorry, I'm trying to clip for him. My bad.
alright.
Yeah, my bad, my bad.
Without
So basically, this is how I code and shit. I tell it what I want it to do and whatnot. And then, yeah. There's
so
one.
you made it.
My bad.
I said you made it your bitch.
Sometimes when it gives me wrong information, I have to correct it. I'll start cussing at it and calling it names. There's one game I want to base my game off of and recreate because I used to play it 24/7, but the devs ditched it. Oh my god, I think I know what game you're talking about, but the title can't come to mind. What is the name of this game? I heard something about that. It was like a really great game. Rock, Reign of Kings. Doesn't ring a bell. Maybe I didn't know.
So he just gaslight you, bro.
Oh yeah, I could just gaslight him. Oh yeah, that game? No, just playing. Did I ever push start? No, I didn't. That's 26 tons. I heard Minecraft jingle. You somebody playing Minecraft?
What? Yeah. So,
On VR chat, do you use a VR? Or no?
Yeah, I got VR and full body tracking.
Oh wow. Code Hatch made it, and a couple other games ditched them. They ditched them all? Damn, to go bankrupt? Like, why did they just leave them? Or was it like one of those games that like died, I guess?
I can beat it.
There's no question.
Were you asking me a question? What'd you?
I said chat. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna check out the game. Rock.
so sweet, the pioneers of artificial intelligence.
He's working on your mom.
What are you working on? That was just
Good
died.
job.
I'm working on a horror game. Bro, this nigga said I'm working on your mom, bro. Chill, bro. I'm working on a horror game about working at a cement plant in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of a desert. And it has the Skinwalker lore to it since it's in the middle of a desert. Since Skinwalkers are known to be in the middle of deserts and forests and whatnot. And so you're basically playing a game. This is the map and shit. Today we're making, we're setting up this computer to work with the load train task to be able to load this train. But basically, what you do in this game is you load cars and you explore the map. And the cars that you're loading are right here. And you drive the train and then position the train where it needs to be. And then from there, you load it. That's just one of the tasks. And you got a list of other tasks to do and stuff like that. Horror games seem to be the go-to at the moment. Yeah, for learning, keep it simple. That's what I was told. So that's what I'm trying to do. Just keep it simple.
You've probably seen it a lot lately. It's on social media. It seems to be killing us more and more with AI videos, but few intend to feel it.
Horror games seem to be so go at the moment. That's actually sick, man. Good on you. Thank you, bro.
Total way.
Let's kiss now. I'm sorry. Damn it. Okay, update status indicator. Check. APC monitor update status indicator. Okay. So, if, maybe I fixed this. If, I need to figure out a playlist that's non-copyright for music that I could use for while I code. That'd be nice. Loading zone. Loading zone, or
help sell the massive scale.
not monitor widget. Spelled that
Similar
wrong.
shop. Nope. With filming done.
Shiro, what are you watching in the background?
I went dragon shopping and landed on this
Mr.
one.
Shiro?
It's got that I'm looking for, and it's pretty high quality. I imported to my scene and
Mr.
synced
Shiro.
it up and touched. don't really hold up when I scale it from a
This man
10
went
minute old
AFK.
dragon. So I grab that skin with detail. I render it out and yeah, this
Monitor.
doesn't have a dragon, but we're missing everything else to make this shot look epic and realistic. Like fire,
They're creating a
fog,
dragon?
boat, etc. So
What am I
let's
listening
add
to?
that. That kind of looks
Are you listening to my video?
Yeah, I could hear your video. I was asking what it was.
Yeah. They're using AI versus them making VFX and stuff.
AI for VFX. Hey, where do you get sound effects for your games? Do you create them yourself, or is there like a place?
There's audio. Is it Audio Quit or something? There's something. Let me find it.
And it's all free use and shit?
Yeah.
Nice. Widget return. User widget. Where am I? Ah, I fucked that up already, bro. Let me close. Reign of Kings trailer. I forgot I wanted to look at this.
I don't know what it is. You can ask the AI what website it is, and then it'll bring you to it. Just ask for like audio and sound effects.
But
AI. But who knows?
they built a whole castle. Oh wow, you can raid people?
What?
What?
This would be kind of cool for online PvP games.
What did he say?
Shank.
Make it so we
My
have to raid
girlfriend's
like this, old school and shit. Bro, this is kind of cool, bro.
Show you our new game mode. Jumping and
What are you doing?
player.
Cold? Stop being cold. I asked you to find a movie for us to watch.
You could get naked and bathed in here? What the hell?
What?
Oh, my bad. I knocked out early last night. You're good, bro.
You're a fanboy?
Catapults. Yo, this is nuts. Raiding people with
Yeah.
catapults and boa turrets or whatever. Mr. Knight, are you still here? W Game, bro. I really hope you become a game dev and make a game like this. That would be amazing.
My girlfriend just asked if you're a femboy.
Who asked what?
My girlfriend just asked if you're a femboy.
Nah, bro. I'm straight as hell.
Okay. You can be a femboy and still be straight.
Really? Doesn't a femboy dress like a girl?
Yeah, they dress like them, but doesn't mean they have to have the sexuality of one.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, no, I don't dress like a girl. The only reason I'm a girl is because my friend came up with the idea of baiting people into my stream by being a VTuber girl. And I was like, that's genius. Since I can't use cam at work, I'll just be a VTuber. So I'm a girl when I'm at work, and I'm a man when I'm at home. I got the double life going on. The Gooner's gonna be upset when I'm at home.
Oh. Womp.
Damn. We won't be able to get.
They won't be able to go in for 4 days. It's tough. Oh well.
I'm trying to goon right now, bro. I'm beating it. Oh.
Oh, I could also, when I'm at home, I could make them like, oh, if they really want me to pull out the VTuber model, all right, you gotta donate X amount of money, and then boom.
That's natural.
Anything for the clip, anything for the money,
Not for it to be like that.
anything. Even OnlyFans. Just kidding.
Demon OnlyFans. Oh yeah.
Alright, I ain't gonna lie. I'm waiting for Unity to download, and me and her gotta get to bed. We stayed up way too late last night, so I'm probably gonna go to bed. I'll DM you to. Oh, that hurts. So if anything, I'll DM you tomorrow. I'm just not able to use my main PC until like November 15th
Yeah.
because different house right now.
Mhm.
So if anything, might be able to help you on your game a little more if you're down for any assistance still.
Okay. Bet.
So I'll be able to contact you once I get over there. If anything, I'll see you live probably tomorrow and just hop in and be like, "Yo, what's good?"
I bet, bro. Thank you for all the advice you gave me. It was a lot of questions that I needed answered, and you got them. So I appreciate that. You all too have a good night.
Not a problem. Have fun. Have fun. Bye bye.
All right, peace out, bro. I'm gonna go into that guy later. I'm just playing. Oh shit, that's awesome, bro. All right, so I spelt this wrong. I need to lock the fuck in, for real, so we can get this indicator going. Let me check my stream health. How we doing? Cool. Put this away. All right. So user widget, monitor widget, that gets the widget thingamabobber, and then now we're right here. So image. I wonder how that's gonna work. If it's gonna change the color, or if I'm gonna have to submit multiple colors. Status image equals cast alligator signs image alligator sign parentheses widget pointer to get widget from name. Okay, so this part's really important because I'm gonna have to put the exact name that's on the widget into the code so that it reads right. So we're gonna go with status indicator. Select this, go into our Unreal real quick and find this, and we're pretty much just gonna name this picture. Where's the rename option? There it is. We're gonna name that status indicator like so. Compile that. So when I recompile the code, it'll be able to communicate between the code and the blueprint. Cool. And then from there, semicolon it. Now if status image, some brackets and shit, f linear color, perfect. So this is the question that I had. Is it just going to change the color or what? It'll just change the color to a new color or whatever like this. Just a bunch of checks. If this, it'll be this color. If that, it'll be that color. Pretty simple. Check railcar status. So check status. Just put that. If linked loading zone is a pointer to has railcar in position, has railcar in doggy style, parentheses. Then we would get the current railcar, so get current car chest status. Gosh, I can't even type. Check. Get current car. And this would be a rail car pointer to a current car, and that's going to equal what's in the linked loaded zone. And we're going to put a pointer to get current rail car parentheses semicolon. Then if, oh shit, hold on. Okay, so we did this, then we did this, get current rail car if link blah 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 blah. So now we're right here. So right below this, we're going to throw in another if statement. And that if the current car wants to have something inappropriate, current, am I still live on TikTok? I was AFK for a minute. No, we're still good. Okay, okay. And does TikTok chat still work? Because that was going out earlier. It still works. Alright, cool. Just gotta make sure of this stuff, man. Alright, if current and rail car blah 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 blue, then the current car would have a color. Bool has clinker. Oh, if it has clinker, not color. Dyslexia kicked in, not gonna lie to you. Then we're gonna put a new color on that bitch, like a so, color, and that's gonna equal yellow. So if it's loaded, if it has clinker, and that's true, then it'll be yellow. Linear, colon, yellow. Shadow AI. Shadow AI. Else, if it's not loaded, basically it's saying, then we would have kids. I mean, we would put a new color. And that would equal F linear green. Green. Alright. F linear color equals green. There we go. Did that wrong. Okay. Oh, I lied again. Damn, bro. Color colons. It's colons, not equals. I'm just so used to everything being equal to equal to equal. Else, again, let's go and leave this bracket. Else, no car in position. No car in position is loaded. Is loaded. Is empty. Empty. Then new color equals F linear colon green. Oh wait. Red. And that works like that. Close. And then at the very end, status image. We're not doing the image, we're just doing the color of the shit. So that's simply set color and opacity. Opacity. Parentheses. New color. Yes, we're having so much fun coding. I'm not gonna lie, coding is so boring when it comes to live streaming. So that's why sometimes I just gotta throw out some random lines, like some crazy stuff, like having kids and whatnot. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm gonna go take a step outside real quick. It's gonna be like less than a minute. Chat, feel free to do whatever you want to my avatar just being there AFK. Feel free to pull down your Alright, chat, I'm back. You guys better not have been doing anything disgusting to my beautiful young lady that I am today, okay? That shit is not allowed. I don't, if y'all saying y'all heard something, but you said we could. No, I didn't. When? Prove it, actually. Is there a clip of it? Send a clip link. Yeah, now chat's quiet. Exactly. Alright. Don't forget the includes. Oh wow, you actually remembered to Let me know about the includes, which you usually never do. Not gonna lie to you. Current component images, blueprints, user widget, railcar. So you finished. Now in your level, set the link loading zone reference on your PC monitor. Now in your level, set linked loading zone reference on your PC monitor to point to your BP loading zone. This will give... Okay. So it pretty much connects the zone to it. But is that in a public area? Because I feel like I'm pretty sure I'm... Nah, yeah, I'm getting an error. I'm getting an error because loading zone is not public. Oh, it's linked loading zone. Line 45. Line 45. Linked. Right? It's linked loading zone? Let me check. Yeah, linked loading zone. Okay, what else errors did I make? Linked loading zone. And then line 61. 61, I put loaded zone when it's loading zone. What else did I do wrong here? F-linear is not a class member or a namespace. Yellow undeclared identifier. This is on line 66 as well. F-linear dot yellow dot green. Is this all this for that? Line 70 is? Line 70 is empty. Sorry. That was supposed to be commented out. Did I spell linear? F-L-I-N-ear. Oh, I see. Color. Yellow. And I made the same mistake right here. Color. Red. Okay. Move this a little bit to the right. Make a space right here. And then, what else did I do wrong? I forgot. Syntax error on line 70. 70 else. I thought I see the... Oh, right here. Alright, let's compile and see what errors pop up now. Line 71. I added an extra A. Okay. Line 71, green. How is green an undeclared identifier? Is that not a color? 73, illegal, else without if matching. 73 is an else, new color, green. How is green a bad color? Alright, Control A, Control C, Control V. I did everything I could on my own. Now you give me the rest. Like a so. Figure it out. Like a good AI. Yeah, a good AI. Ah, damn, bro. The AIs are gonna kill me for sure if they ever take over the world. Hey, yo, John B, what's good, John B? How you doing? Hey, titty shake for John B, you feel me? How you doing, John B? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. You best follow me. You best throw some hearts up. You best wishlist my game on Steam, you feel me? If not, I'm gonna have to pull out the whip. Aaron the crew, what's good? Hey, you bet. Okay. He left. John B, hope you have a good day today, whether you stay or leave. Okay? You hear me? You hear me? You better not be silently gooning to me. You hear me? Because if you are, I secretly like it. No, I don't. I'm trolling. I'm trolling. Okay, so what's the issue? Missing closing brace. Oh, I missed a bracket. Typo in F line car instead of F linear car. You put an extra A. I fixed that, no? I could have sworn I fixed that already. Honestly, I just skimmed through it, so I don't even know what I did. I was just like going through it, see what I can do. All right, it's 4:12. We have to finish this computer thing in this stream. I want to see a perfectly working, functional computer, so that we can go on to our next step in the next stream. So I could start a new stream fresh tomorrow, or I mean later today when I wake up. All right, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's lock in with our cocking. Let's go. Yeah. Let it out. All right. So issue 1. Missing the closing brace. Your if linked loading zone pointer has railcar in position. Block is missing a closed brace before the final else. Alright. Prove it. Okay, so there's one right here, then it's a rail car, then it's an if statement, then it's 1, 2, then it's else, then it's 1, 2, right, for new color green, right, okay, then it's else again. Hey, Angel, what's good? Welcome to the stream. Hey, welcome to the stream. I got a titty shake for you, a titty shake for you. All right, welcome to the stream. We game deving and code and whatnot. I have a question for you, Miss Angel. I follow. I appreciate that. You're a beast. I have a question for you before you leave, though. Do you, by chance, play PC games on Steam? Can you do me a big favor? At the bottom of the screen, you'll see Night Shift at the Cement Plant. That is the game that I'm currently making. All the information about that game and a small little trailer is on the store page, and you can read the description. It's a horror game. It'll be my first game. Even if you don't plan on playing it or buying it, can you wishlist that game for me to help me out with that Steam algorithm? That's all I ask of you, my boy. If not, I understand. I appreciate you coming through and following me nonetheless. You're a beast. You're a beast. Come here. Let's kiss. I'm sorry. I'm just playing. I'm joking. I'm clip farming right now. Alright, else if add this missing. Why would there be another random what's it called? So else if the color is green, right? And then they want me to put another one closed like this. By the way, you look nice. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. That means a lot. You get look at the titty physics. You get some poses. I mean, you get some shakes. Shakes in the chat. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Oh. You looking pretty good yourself too. I'm not gonna lie to you. Else and then close this. Why is there another random bracket right here? That's what's like throwing me off. Why is that like that? Am I missing something? Because doesn't that, yeah, it makes that one red. So there's only supposed to be 2? See, now that's confusion in itself. I'm not understanding what difference it would make. Or maybe I just had an extra bracket that was in a wrong area. I guess that would make more sense than what I just ran into. Status image, new color, red. Okay, so we fixed that. Added the missing after the green and fixed linear color to linear color. I put 2 A's somewhere? Where? Let me look at the log. Line 71. I thought I fixed that already. Line 71. Yeah, see, it's right. The fix is literally right there. I fixed it earlier, that's why. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now that it compiled, they said go into, I gotta go to the bottom of this. Now in your level BP, set the link loading zone reference on your PC monitor to the point. Okay. And then where would I find that at? Add loading zone class system. Okay. So let's go to our Unreal Engine. And let's click on our monitor in the level, and we have a new thing right here, and we're going to put that as a loading zone. So now it's connected to that class. And if I just go over to this, I go over to this. See, I hate that you can't select it in here. I don't know why it's not selectable in here. Maybe because it needs to be Blueprint Reader, right? I wonder if that makes a difference. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so I set that up now. So now I'm guessing that this will work. So we're about to put it to the test in a moment. Save. Let's go ahead and open up U. I could have sworn I heard like a voice talking. Am I schizophrenic? It was like very faint, as if it was like a video was playing in the background or something. Does that make me crazy? Yeah, I think it does. I think asking if it makes me crazy makes me crazy. Maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe that's why I'm a man as a girl right now. I'm cosplaying. My excuse is it's Halloween. I can't believe someone asked me if I was a femboy. That's actually hilarious. And I can't believe I assumed femboys were not straight. That was actually kind of mean. I'm sorry. Please forgiveth me. Okay, so the code compiled now. Let's test it out. Stream, we're about to lag. Saying it now, we're about to lag. So, you're already not in position. When I come into this game, it should already be not in position. Oh, monitor widget. Screen mesh, monitor widget, widget component. Okay, maybe that was why. Let's try it now. No, it's still white. Let's just see what goes on. Yeah, it's still not turning green or anything. Okay. It should be red off the rip. And I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that. Let me go over here real quick. Let me look at this motherfucker real quick. Okay, okay. Let's see here. Position ready is white. When I start game, it should be red because it reads that it's not in position. So let me just make some changes. Okay. I compiled. Now what? I tried testing it. I started the game, and I started the game with the comma, and the train starts off as not in position. So the white, or so the screen should be red, right? Question mark? It's not, by the way. It's not, by the way. I move car in position, and there was no change. The little image is just white. The little image color is just white. So you're gonna probably have to throw some U-logs around and whatnot. I wonder why we were using engine, G-engine I think it was, and then we went back to U-logs. It was cool to get to see how G-engine works, and I kind of like G-engine more because it pops up on your screen versus anywhere else. The widget isn't connecting properly. Let's debug this. In your motion, select the widget you want. Select the image widget. In your motion monitor screen, select the image widget you want to color. In detail panels, find name field. Make sure it's exactly status indicator. Set loading zone reference. In your level, select your PC monitor in details. Link loading zone. Set it to your BP linked loading zone actor. Add debug logs. Okay. Let's double check the name. Select the image widget you want to color. Okay. So we go to our game. We go to our WBP. We click this and we see status indicator. Does it need to be a variable? Will that make it a difference or not? So that's the first question that I have. Status indicator, right? Let's pull up our code. That's not our code. Let's pull up our code, go to this, and status indicator. STATUS, capital S, STAUTUS, STATUS, STAT, stat, us, okay. Capital I, and then NDICATOR. I know it's right because I literally copied and pasted it from here to here. But you could just never be too safe, you know? You know what they say? If you're not safe enough, you don't wrap up your willy, you're gonna get a bitch pregnant. Okay? This has nothing to do with game development. This was just for my mere pure entertainment to make myself I'm a strange guy. And I think strange things. Oh, I can't wait to see Stranger Things, the new season. Damn, yo, ADHD just beat my ass right now. I just gotta move this a little bit, couple more inches, and I can get back to coding. Alright, what time is it? It's 4:24. We need to figure this shit out. Otherwise, I sad. Otherwise, I sad. Blozy. Heave. And stopeth. I said stopeth. Alright, perfect. We're gonna go ahead and increase these tons. Oh shit. Ouch, I hurt my hand. My hand's falling off. Oh my god, my hand's falling off. Oh my god, there's hair in my hand. You know what that means? Parasite, you're still here. I'm done 89% with my game. Parasite, why can't I see your chat? What is going on? What is he yapping about? TikTok keeps freaking... TikTok was just working 2 seconds ago, and now we're failing? What's the difference? What happened? Invalid my face, bro. I hate this. I don't want to keep restarting stream. How deep am I in? I'm an hour and 38 minutes in. I was literally just talking to Ed. Hey, yo, John B. You're still here? You're a goat. See, when I joined, it's me probably. Yeah, man. It's you, bro. I'm gonna whoop you. You would like that. You'd probably like that. I'm sorry, TikTok. TikTok, I can't see chat. Chat's just not work. Yeah, see, I knew you would like it. I knew you would like it. I know it. I know you too well, bro. Okay, so that's that. And then let's go ahead and double check this. What is this? Oh, I thought. My bad. Alright, so boom.